In today's video, we're actually going to be talking about the first thing you should buy when you get a new camera. Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Garcia, and this is Wise Mind Films, where we try to actually teach you anything and everything about filmmaking and content creation. Today's video is actually going to discuss one of the first investments you should make once you buy a DSLR or any kind of camera. Now you may be thinking, damn, I have to buy a lens, I have to buy a microphone. What else can what else can I be thinking about to buy first? Honestly, you should be thinking about battery life. And when I say battery life, I mean a battery grip or extra batteries. Why would you need a battery grip? Well, first of all, it's gonna extend the life of the camera. You don't want to be stuck in the middle of a shoot with no battery or having to constantly switch out batteries. I've been saying batteries a lot, I know. Now the battery grip is actually beautiful because it not only adds a little bit of weight, which is actually gonna help you stabilize the camera, it's just gonna make it look a little bit bigger, which in other people's eyes or in clients' eyes, it may equate to professional. Me and you both know that's not really the case, but to those who are not in the industry, sometimes bigger seems a little bit better. Now, battery grips can vary in pricing depending on the camera that you have, but it really should be one of the first investments you make as a first-time filmmaker or just whenever you buy a new camera. Battery grips are going to give you enough time to finish that music video, shoot that short film, or make sure you have enough juice to shoot your next YouTube video. As I mentioned earlier, the extra weight is perfect because you are going to have a little bit of a steadier grip on it. Shooting those handheld shots, the camera is going to seem a little bit more balanced. Now, one of the good things about battery grips is that they most often do not come with one of these, which is actually an extra battery plate that you can use AA batteries for. So this actually comes in handy to have in your camera bag as a backup to the backup to the backup. Worst case scenario, you run out of juice in your regular batteries, you have this ready and waiting for you in the bag. Now, another benefit to having battery grips is it actually does have a lot of the controls right on the grip itself, just as you would if you had it horizontal. I mean, what else can I say about a battery grip? It gives you longer life, adds a little bit more weight, so it makes it a little bit more steady, makes the camera look a little bit bigger, and I'm still able to access the buttons that I need in vertical mode. That's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you hit that bell notification for future videos. And of course, don't forget to consume less and create more.